Hello everyone, my name is Isan Rafli.
My name is Maulana Syahputra. Introduction. Welcome to the presentation evolution of programming language. In this presentation, we will explore the development of programming language over time. For generation, language is a third generation programming language that is popular today. Introduction: the concepts of data structures and procedure programming. In this generation, programming language began to be started from hardware architecture. Is the basic for many modern programming language and influenced the development of other languages such as C++, Java, and Python. Second generation. The Fortran language is a second generation programming language developed for science and engineering. Fortran introduced the concepts of variables and structures programming. Later, the Java language emerged for business data processing. The second generation marks the adoption of the language Higgs level programming and easier for humans to understand. Third generation language is a third generation programming language that is popular today. Introduces the concept of data structures and procedural programming. In this generation, programming language began to be spared from hardware architecture. Is the basic for many modern programming languages and influence the development of their language such as C++, Java, and Python. Fourth generation programming language are languages that focus on object-based programming and application development. Languages such as C++, Java, and Python are examples of the fourth generation. This generation allows the creation of more complex programs with code that is easier to learn and maintain.
Fifth generation, the sixth generation of programming language is all about intelligence, computing capabilities, and knowledge-based programming language such as Prot and Lisp appeared in this generation. The fifth generation explores artificial intelligence and processing natural language. Sixth generation. The sixth generation of game language is about file programming and distributed computing. For games, language screen as go in scale often in sixth generation. The X generation enlists more of its application development by leveraging freely computing power. The seventh generation of program in language is all about web-based program and includes bits application programming language X as JavaScript, Ruby, and PHP. In this integration, the switch generation allows the developer of applications to change when ancient physics, internet, and for on fraction graphics. Exit The Git's ingredient of programming language is of data deprogramming is integrate artifacts intelligence programming language such as R and Python for data analysis and transfer and Python for declare emerging in a generation the Git generation and lists more of its that expressing the and the question of artificial intelligence makes complex. Conclusion. In its visual zones of programming English often we have seen how programming languages have evolved over generations. Each generation brings new information and influence the way it will more complex application and system, which affects understanding after history and explore of gaming lose vision of man how important text language are in today technology world.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have
Do you have
any
any
time?